Hey, do you want to speak English easily? Today I'll teach you simple questions and answers that you can use every day. Let's start.
Basic introduction. What is your name?
My name is Rahim.
Where are you from?
I am from Bangladesh.
How are you?
I am fine.
How old are you?
I am 20 years old.
What do you do?
I am a student.
Daily life questions. What are you doing?
I am studying.
Where are you going?
I am going to school.
What did you eat?
I ate rice and chicken.
When will you come?
I will come soon.
Are you busy?
Yes, I am busy.
Are you free?
Yes, I am free.
Yes, no questions. Do you like coffee?
Yes, I like coffee.
Do you understand?
Yes, I understand.
Can you help me?
Yes, I can help you.
Did you finish your work?
Yes, I finished my work.
Are you tired?
No, I am not tired.
Real simple conversation. Where are you now?
I am at home.
What are you doing?
I am watching TV.
Can we talk?
Yes, we can talk.
Useful everyday questions. What time is it?
It is 5 p.m.
Who is that?
That is my friend.
Why are you late?
I was busy.
How was your day?
My day was good.
What happened?
Nothing special.
Practice these questions and answers every day. The more you speak, the better you become.
Now tell me, which question will you use today?
Follow for more simple English.